Hello everyone, it's chefamors. If this is your first time, you're welcome. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my other social media platforms, and I promise I'll be uploading a new video every other week. Don't forget to subscribe and follow. So in today's video, we'll be making this Milky Buttery soft bread rolls. To get started, we'll first need to prepare our pan. You can use the normal baking pan or your oven tray too to bake your bread rolls in. So here I'm just using butter to grease my baking pan. Then I will dust it with some flour. That's that for that. Then we are going to mix in our dry ingredients. I'm adding my flour, powdered milk, sugar, salt, yeast, and then I'll give this a good mix. I'll add in my eggs now and some water. Use room temperature ingredients. Your butter, water, eggs should be at room temperature before baking this bread. So I'm just mixing, and then I'll start kneading my dough until it forms a ball or a dough. So this bread recipe is one of a kind. It tastes, I don't know how to put this, but it's amazing. It did last 24 hours in the house when we make this, and I think I made it 3 more times after recording this particular video. So I'll keep mixing. I will use both hands to mix so it will be faster. So baking bread is, I think, one of the easiest thing you can do yourself at home. I have different types of bread recipes which I'll be posting when I have time. School hasn't been easy on me, and family, you need to take care of the house and everything. So, and I'm not feeling that quite good. I think you can detect that in my voice, but all the way, alhamdulillah, always. So here I'm adding some butter. The butter, I repeat, should be at room temperature, and then you mix it in. Just watch what I do in the video, okay? You understand what I mean. So just keep kneading. It will become sticky like this. Don't stop, and don't forget, don't add flour. If it's sticky like this, don't add flour, just keep kneading, it will become okay. And as you can see in the video, just keep kneading, it will become smooth and okay. From the look of it, you can see my dough, it's super soft, it's not sticking to my hands, and at the same time it's soft. So this is what you should be looking at, this is what you want to achieve. Please take your time to do this, okay? Don't rush. It's just like you're making donuts, but it's even easier because you don't need the dough to be so smooth before shaping it and then allowing it to rise and then bake. So this is what you should be looking at. You can see my dough, it's so soft. Here I'll just put it in a bowl and then allow it to rest for 20 minutes max. Okay, so this is after 20 minutes. I'm gonna cut the dough into 9 pieces. You can decide to do 4 or 6 depending on how you want your final product to look like. Here I'm dividing mine into 9. Sorry, it's not 9, 12 actually. I first divide the dough into 4 and then I will divide each portion into 3 again, and then you get 12. Simple maths. You need to cut them to be at the same size as possible, same quantity as possible, because you want your bread rolls to be uniform in size. So here I'm shaping them into balls. Just like that until I finish using all the dough. And that's the last one. So basically I will just cover it with a tablecloth or anything you have in your kitchen, and then allow it to rise for about 40 minutes to 1 hour, and then you egg wash or use milk, or here I'm using butter, but you can use egg or milk to do that, and basically pop it in the oven to bake for about 20 to 30 minutes depending on the type of oven you have. It might take longer than this. but make sure you preheat your oven before putting in your bread. The reason why I'm glazing the top, let me use the word glaze, is to have this beautiful golden shiny effect once my bread is done. So that's it. I got carried away. I was just in with a friend and it slightly got burned on the top like that, but it's all good. It was so soft. It was yummy, amazing. I think I had about 3 rolls. Yep. It was so amazing. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and then follow me on my other social media platforms. Thank you.